Hello and welcome to 517 Naples Avenue here in Cayce. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, fully fenced in backyard. Also has a storage shed out back, and you have your parking right here on the side of the home. Let's go take a look in the backyard. All right, we are now in the backyard. As you can see, straightforward, you have the storage shed right here. And also a nice area right there as well, possibly used for a little mini shop for tools. And here is the back of the home. And that is the gate to where we came out of. So pretty good sized backyard. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside of the home. As soon as you come inside, you're in the living room. You have your hardwood floors right here. You have your hallway right there. You have your front door, fireplace, and also a bonus area right there. And you have your ceiling fan. Here you have your formal dining room. You have your chandelier right here. Also, you have your hardwood floors. The only way to it is not hardwood, you have this area right here where you have the tile, and also you have the brick inside the kitchen on the floor. All right, here is the kitchen. You have a nice layout right here. You have a U-shaped kitchen. You have your cabinets right here. They're white. And also you have your microwave, stove, dishwasher. You have some cabinet space above the refrigerator, and also over here, and the washer and dryer right here as well. All right, we're going to make our way through the dining room. Straightforward, you have the bathroom. You have a single vanity right here. You have your toilet and also your cabinet. And you have your shower and tub combo. And coming out, you have your linen closet right here as well. All right, right beside the bathroom, you have bedroom number 1. You have your hardwood floors right here. You have a window right here that looks out into the backyard, and also a window right here as well. You have your closet. And ceiling fan. And some extra closet space right here as well. Right across the hall, you have bedroom number 2, which is bigger than bedroom number 1. We consider this one the master. You have your ceiling fan right here, also hardwood floors. Window that looks out into the front of the yard and also on the side. And you have your double door closet right here. Also, majority of the rooms have this lever right here to where you can kind of keep the heat in, or during the summer you can actually, pull it down to where you can have some more circulation as well. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, 517 Naples Avenue in Cayce. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.